Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is Thursday, Friday Eve. Real quick, last week or so, turns out that I had won a giveaway. So it's from Steve over at Crazy Scale Models. He sent me his card, which is really cool. That's awesome. And a couple of stickers. And this is what I won. Mach 5 Speed Racer. I haven't built one of these yet. I was going through my stash, and I do have one in my stash, so if I screw up on something, I'll have extra parts, which, as you all know, I do my share of screwing up on my builds. So anyway, thanks again, Steve. Appreciate that very much. And thanks again for the shop card. And hopefully your channel just keeps growing. If none of my subscribers are subscribed to him, I will, if I don't forget, I'll put a link in the description. You can go over and subscribe to his channel. He does some really cool stuff over there. And then just real quick, not much of an update on the 55. I'm gonna redo this roll bar. It doesn't fit very well, so what I'm doing now is I'm gonna try and remake that roll bar. Thing that was kind of weird is I drilled some holes in the interior tub because it just helps hold everything in place when you're bending the tubing for the roll bar. Forgetting how old this some of this kit is that I've built, the front seat popped out of it. So yeah, it's coming along a little bit slow, but we'll get it going here. And I did get some paint on the 3D painted headers, or printed headers, I should say. Looks like one of them's kind of fallen off the stick that I had holding it. But anyway, guys, this is just a quick one. Yeah, I guess that's it. I should get some bench time this weekend, and if I get any progress, you'll be seeing me again. So there's your warning. Anyway, hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.